Okay, my name's Niamh and I'm here at the BRR training this week.
Incredible. And you enjoying it?
Yeah, BRR is what I want to do, so yeah, it's definitely beneficial being here this week.
Why is BRR what you want to do?
Because I've got some inheritance I want to invest into property. Instead of just buying myself a house, I want to invest it and, go from there. So, yeah.
And what's it like, kind of, obviously Samuel's on stage, he's calling estate agents, he's like, there's deals being landed in.
Yeah.
What's it like kind of seeing that?
It's exciting. Yeah, it definitely, you just know that you can do it. If everyone in there can do it, you can do it as well. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
And, to people who are thinking about coming down to the crash course who haven't yet come down, what would you say to them to kind of encourage them down?
Just tell them all about the mentorship and the advantages of the actual academy, because it's not just the training. There's so much more, and literally at the drop of a hat, you can call a mentor and get any advice you need, whether it's just a quick question or a really lengthy question, and they're always there for you. And no question's a stupid question. They are really accommodating.
And what about the networking opportunities? Have you been able to talk to people?
Yeah, so we have, there's so many inner circles. I think there's 36 or 39 inner circles, and I go to 3 of my local ones, Stoke, Wolverhampton and Birmingham. So I'm hoping to branch out to a few more in the near future, yeah.
Yeah, and have you been able to get connections, kind of get guys?
Yes, I've got loads of connections and some potential joint ventures. However, I do want to get my first BRR underway, and then I'll start going into things with other people. So I just want to focus on my own first, and then I'll start JVing, etc. Yeah.